Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're unboxing together the December Simply Earth recipe box. Okay, theme of this month is beauty, which is one of my favorite things to use essential oils for of all time. Like, I love using essential oils in different recipes, DIYs, dry shampoo, makeup. Like, my concealer has essential oils in it. If you're not familiar, Simply Earth is a subscription box. They also it's an essential oil brand company, but they have this box, which is really fun. They're all about educating you to use your oils properly, safely, and make it super fun. They give back 13% to help end human trafficking. It's a really cool company and definitely approved by me. So I love sharing this box. In the monthly box, you get 4 oils and recipe cards and things to make your recipes. I have tons of essential oils at this point. We've been using them for over 3 years, I think. And so I get this box and I get duplicates. So I keep the duplicates. I don't want more than I can use. So I give away, if I get an oil that I already have, I give away the new one on my Instagram. So make sure you follow me there so you don't miss out on any of those. But let's jump in. I'm going to show you the oils first and then we'll look at the recipes. So this is Balsam Fir, a really good Christmassy oil. It's a tree oil. Chris loves these. It's from the Needles. It's from Canada, and the aroma is softly balsamic pine-like. And it just smells like a pine tree. It's kind of sharp and clean and piney. That would be my description. Next one is Bumps and Boo-Boos. We have this oil and we use it a ton. This is what I use to make my owie rollers. Bumps and Boo-Boos happen a ton, and this is also just a top reason we use essential oils is for healing, like ouchies and things like that. So helichrysum, lavender, tea tree, and lemon. So this is a blend. The other 3 in the box will be singles. This one, not really made for scent, but it does smell pretty good. It's kind of herbal and sweet. It smells really good. And it says, never fear, Bumps and Boo-Boos is here to jumpstart your body's natural healing process. It supports your body in that way, which, I mean, come on, it's amazing. Geranium. I have not had geranium from Simply Earth, so I'm really excited to see how this one smells. I am all about the florals. This one's from Egypt. It's floral and sweet, and it's from the leaves and flowers. It's very strong, like a sharp, like, if you are familiar with the Joy essential oil blend, geranium is a big ingredient in that. So it's very bright. It's a bright and sharp floral. And then lime, which we also use a lot. We use this in drinks a lot. Chris really likes it in different beers, or when we make margaritas, I like to use it in that too. Use essential oils internally at your own discretion. The lime is from the fruit peel, and it smells exactly like a lime peel. Very fresh. Lime is probably one of my favorite citrus. I love all citrus, actually. Before we share, I was going to share the value. So the price is $44.99 per month. With my code, though, you get $45 back. The value this month is $177. So it's usually between $100 and $200, so way over what you're paying each month. Okay, so here are the recipes. The first one is Christmas morning shower melt. That sounds so good. Coconut oil, balsam fir, and lime. And then you will need like an ice tray or some sort of mold, which we have some of those like silicone molds in little fun shapes. And you just kind of melt it all together and make little melts. I'm super excited about this. This would be a good gift too. Breath of Pine shower spray. Okay, so this one you make in this spray bottle that they give you, and it is 30 drops of balsam fir essential oil. So you add the essential oils to the bottle and fill the rest with distilled water, and shake and spray on shower walls before showering. The steam from the shower will create a spa-like. This is really cool. See what I mean? Like, they have creative and different ways to use their oils. I've never heard of that, and I'm very excited about this. You can also, it's optional to add a natural solubilizer, which I've gotten in a box before. It might be on their website too for purchase, but that was optional. And just say to help your essential oils mix with the water, which they don't dissolve into water, but it says to place them in a bowl and slowly add about 50 drops of the solubilizer. Am I saying that right? Yes, it makes them mix together. So you can add that if you want, or if you have it, but that's optional. I probably won't, just because you don't absolutely have to. I want to make it simple. And you can put any essential oil to do that. So you can do eucalyptus. I love eucalyptus in the shower to give it more of a spa vibe. Next one is Snowstorm Mini Bath Bombs. These are really cute too. I saw a picture of them already made. Bath bombs are really fun, especially if you have kids. They give you the mold to make them. A little tricky to mold, just when you have to get the correct, like the just right consistency for them to smush together and stay into a ball. But once you have that mastered, it's really fun. Here's the picture, because they give you this pretty blue mica powder. How beautiful is this? They may or may not be coming out with a bunch of colors soon, but I will share when and if that happens. This is ocean blue mica powder. So this is mica, titanium dioxide, and then ultramarine blue. It's a super pretty blue, like royal blue, so that'll be fun. The girls will love that. They love bath bombs, but I don't buy the ones from the store because they're just full of fragrance and nasty ingredients that I don't want on their skin. Plus, Zara has eczema, and so she can't use that stuff anyway, which makes me sad, but I love that we have options like this that we can use. So bath bombs, really fun. That would be a good gift too. Cheerful Giver Roll-On. So you're making a roller, which will come in your big bonus box. You get an empty one. And you'll have a label. I can get them out. Every month you get labels for all of your recipes, and then for the top tier bottles, those little stickers. So that's fun. The Cheerful Giver Roll-On is balsam fir and lime. Sounds really good. Did I already do this one? Let It Snow bath bombs. No, so you know what? The Snowstorm. This might be the Let It Snow bath bomb. Let's read. So the Snowstorm one is geranium, bumps and bluebus. Oh yeah, a dash of blue mica powder. So you use the blue mica powder for both, but it gives you 2 recipes for bath bombs. The next one is just the bumps and boo-boos blend. And then citric acid is a main ingredient, baking soda and cornstarch you'll need from your home, and then isopropyl alcohol. And they give you this, so you don't have to go and buy any citric acid, but you will need to have baking soda and cornstarch. It's typically just normal, like, household ingredients that you'd already have that they don't include, and then you mix it all together, get the right consistency, pack them into this mold. It's gonna be so fun. I love the recipes that I can make with the girls. They love doing it, and it's just a good, like, thing to do together. That is December. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if I missed anything. The value is always incredible. This month is really fun. I love essential oils in the fall and winter. It's just part of the holidays for us now. Lastly, I want to just touch on, again, they have so many resources for you guys. They have their blog, Facebook page, YouTube channel. They have an essential oils hero course. Once you subscribe, you get access to that. You can always ask me questions, and if I don't know, I can ask them. But it's all about resource and just knowing how to properly and safely use your oils. It's intimidating at first, so I feel like they make it super fun and easy and take, like, all of that stress or, like, confusion out of it. But I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. My link and code will be in the description. I hope you have a great day. Bye.